Hello everyone. Today I'm in Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to use automatic parking assistant. In the beginning, make sure that your seatbelts are fastened. Next, take a look at the screen display. Press camera button. Now, select parking assistant mode. You can select bay forward, parallel, bay reverse. On the right side of the screen, we can see that the car recognizes parking spot. If the sensor is not precise, we can adjust the parking spot manually. We can change rotation and position. Once it's all set, tap Start. If you want to use automatic parking assistant, make sure to release parking brake. Take a look at the screen display, select your parking spot and tap Start. Parking assist starts when brake is released. Now, take a look, the car parks automatically. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe